going to be about magic potions, friendship, and planning a play date. Please make sure to watch till the end and like and subscribe our channel, Sparkles Online School. Thank you. Welcome to the show. Today I am very excited because we're going to make some fairy magic potions. Let's see what we have in our kit here. We have 3 tall bottles, 3 short bottles, 3 beaker bottles, 3 heart bottles, glue, purple thread, 4 charms, 1 fairy, 1 wing, 2 clovers, packet of rose petals, packet of glow-in-the-dark beads, crystal sticks, pink and yellow, packet of small brown stones, packet of small pink crystal stones, 4 butterflies, 1 pink, 1 yellow, 2 gold, 2 unicorn horns, 1 fox flower, 3 glitter, orange, gold, silver, 2 confetti, pink and yellow, 2 sequences, silver stars and red hearts, 3 coloring dies, red, yellow, blue, scoop, funnel, fairy wand, stirring stick, measuring cup, and potion labels. I have already chosen my bottle and put the label on it. Now I'm going to start with this pearlescent glitter. Use the funnel because it might spill around. It's happened with me once. First, I'm going to put my funnel on the bottle. Not a screw, you actually have to be very careful to pop it up. Now I'm going to be super slow in putting it in so I don't make any mess when I'm doing it. I'm going to add it in and scoop off my pearlescent glitter. I'm going to make sure this gets inside. Sometimes if it doesn't go, I like to use the back of my scoop. Let's see. It's not going. Why? Done. I'm going to keep it in and add another scoop. And now I'm going to use some of my blue glitter to put 1 scoop of blue glitter. Oh, that's why I like to kind of use the funnel. Sometimes you can make some messy mistakes, but it's okay. It helps you learn. Now I have to add the water in very carefully so nothing happens. Carefully, I'm going to use to hold my Did it fill? No. Did it fill? Yes. Now I have to gently glue my cork for the bottle and just spread it out. Glue. This glue is super sticky. But I'm not done. Now I have to add this string. We finally made one of our magic potions. Let's see how it looks with our other potions. I made a shiny potion before, and magic sprinkles, we did it together. Mystical potion and a healing potion. I'm gonna make a glowing magic potion. I asked my mom for help to clean the funnel because I didn't want any blue glitter to come inside my new potion. So I'm gonna start off with my label. You have to keep holding the bottle because it has a small base and it might tip off. Let me try using the funnel with these beads. I'll take only one bead and try. It doesn't fit, so I'll take it out and take it in my hand. I think I'll use my hand to put it in because I don't want it to fall down. I'll take it one by one. You have to add 2 scoops of beads. I'm gonna go very gently. I was supposed to add water first, but they said to fill it in the instructions only halfway so it doesn't, because the beads might make it overflow. But I think I might change the instructions a little bit by adding the glitters and everything first and then adding my water. So let's stick with that. 1 scoop of green glitter. I have not used it before. Let's see. Like this. Easy peasy. Okay. I'm done putting the green glitter. Now I'm going to put the orange glitter. I'm going to put it gently so it doesn't spill. Now I'm going to add the water in, but first I'm going to close it. I have to be very careful because this could tip over any minute, and now I'm going to put the water in. I have to remember to fill it in just about 1 more drop maybe. Oh, that's it. That's it. I have to glue the cork on it. I think I could add a little bit of yellow, making it more colorful, but I still hope it might show. Just add 1 drop. It didn't go in. Try maybe 1 more to make it go. I'm hoping it will work. Just have to glue the cork on it. Now I'm going to shake it. Whoa! Now that looks cool. I still hope that it should show the glow in the dark. I remember something from the instructions. They said put it underneath light and then close it and it might glow. Maybe we could try to see that. It's been under the light for a long time. Maybe it glows. I wanted to take this activity to the next level, so my mom got me these gems from the dollar store because I'm going to have a play date with my friends, so I wanted to make potions for them to take home. I'm going to use these containers with lids, and I'm going to make each in different colors by using some glitter and food coloring dye and water. Let's start. I'm going to start off by making one that's purple. Let me open up my bottle. It's super tight. There's 3 scoops, baby. 1. Oh, 2, 3. Now I'm going to add some of the food coloring. Start off with red. 1 drop of red. 1. 2. And then only 2 scoops of this. One scoop. And now I'm just going to add some of the water. Just pour it. Whoa, that's a lot. I think I may have overdone it. I'm going to add a few more drops of red because it looks like a dark blue. Let's make it into purple instead. Maybe just another one too. That's all. Let me close it. Gently shake it. Whoa, this is a very nice shade of purple. I'm gonna make another, maybe red. Red looks like a nice color to do. I'm gonna make a red potion. Maybe I might add a little bit of white stones to make it not that such a dark color. 1 scoop. I will start off with 1 and see if I want another. Maybe just another. Because I'm going to add 1 more scoop of white stones. Just 1 scoop of whites. Just want to make it less white. Half a scoop maybe. Okay, 1 scoop. Because its stones are big. Oh. And that's, maybe I'm going to use some gold glitter. I put 1 scoop of golden glitter. Now I'm going to put 1 drop of red food coloring dye. And then add my water in gently by my funnel. Maybe a little bit more. Is that enough? No. Let's put some more. That looks like enough. No? Maybe more. Is that enough? Yes. Whoa, look how nice it looks. Now I think I should make maybe a white and pink one, or maybe a mixed one. Let's try mixed color. That would look cool. I'm going to put 1 scoop of each gem except for the white. Oh. Now just red scoop. Now I'm going to add some pink confetti. 1 scoop of pink confetti. A little bit more. Oh, make that 2 scoops. Now I'm going to add some 1 scoop of orange. Just try to make there. And then some a little bit of glitter. Now I'm going to add some water to it using the funnel. Do you think it's missing some color? I think so. Maybe some yellow? That will look pretty. I'm gonna add some yellow. One drop of yellow. Maybe another one. Yellow. Close it tightly. Shake it up gently. Whoa, pink confetti, orange glitter, and also golden glitter makes such perfect potions. Let's see, I have this paper of labels. Maybe I could use these 3 to label this. I could use these labels. I'll have to write the titles after. 1, 2, and then the last one, number 3. These look so good. I'll just put it on here. Whoa, look at our potions. They look so nice.